viewers, subscribers, and friends. Well, I had to stop and take a pee and get some gas. Gonna go to a little road called Roller Coaster Road, and maybe I'll meet up with Arizona RE. Well, there's a bunch of bikers over there. I've been riding all day almost. There's 2 more cop cars there. That's like number 27 I've seen today. I don't know what the deal is with that. Close my visor. Boy, it is hot for 62 degrees. Man, I'm drenched with sweat. This is the photo light. They take your picture if you run a red light. No photo bomb. Heading north of Tucson, the northwest part of Tucson. I don't know how much memory I've left on my SD card, but we'll find out. I'll find out. I need to get over this big old truck won't let me over. Woo, man, it's hot. Let me see, I haven't been here in a while, so I have to figure out where it is. I think it's this one up here. Yep, right there, Roller Coaster Road. Oh, and the yard sale. Oh. Watch out now, Grandma. I used to bring my 72 Camaro over here and ride this road. You have to be careful because sometimes there's gravel on this road. Twisties and dips. Head sign, snake sign. That gravel right there. My stomach left me there. I don't know how fast I'm going. No speedometer. Woo! Drop off. Put your hands in the air. Woo! Not too bad with gravel here. Hugging the white line. Hugging the white line. Been on this road in a while, so I don't know what the turns are like. That's pretty fun. Turn around and go back. And that's the end of the Roller Coaster Road. Let's turn around and go back, just to see what it's like going the other way. Nobody behind me? Alright, go back the other way. House for sale. It's a fun road. miles per hour. Bumpy. Oh, the back end slid a little bit on that one. Whoa! I feel like I was gonna jump into the moon. mountains. I couldn't even talk there for a minute. It must have been a mini stroke or something. There you have it, roller coaster road. All right, I liked it so much. I'm gonna do one more try, and then I'm gonna get me some boba tea. Don't want to do it too many times, and people call the cops. Off to the wild blue yonder. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light, Roxanne. Yellow to white. Oh, there's a truck in my way. Come on, man! Ah, bummer. You can't ride a roller coaster ride on cruise, brother? Oh, my tire's up. Look at this drop off. Woohoo! This is the curb right here. Come on, Opa. You got the rain on my parade. Everything gonna be alright now. You don't ride the roller coaster road on cruise, brother. Well, it was fun the first 2 times. Well, there you have it. My point of view of Roller Coaster Road. If you're in Tucson and you want to hit the Roller Coaster Road, it is located off of River Road, just north of River Road, off of La Cañada Drive. And it comes from west heading east to Oracle Road. See, there's the La Cañada Drive right there, that stop sign. And to the left is River Road over there, that stop sign over there. And that's going north. And going east that way to Oracle Road will take you the fun way to Oracle Road. What are you waiting for, somebody to hold your hand? She's on the phone. Time for some boba tea. Well, if you like this video, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Don't cost nothing, it's free. And if you take the time to leave a comment, I will take the time to respond to your comments, your posts, your PM messages. And beautiful day for a ride. As always, thanks for watching. This has been a One Down 4 Up production. That's a wrap.